Here we are again. We're in the garage working on the 59. Today we're putting in the window, and welcome to Dirty Business Garage.
Look, this thing looks like a chaw. Remember the things you used to put on your pencil?
Yeah.
Like in elementary school and go like that with?
Let's clean this guy up real quick. She's been sitting here for a while. Alright, we'll get some Windex, clean it after.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Don't drop that motherfucker.
I know. I can't afford another one. We can grab the weather strip.
You got more wire than that?
Yeah, I got more wire.
Oh, no, that's good enough. I didn't know you had a whole spool.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It should fit.
Okay, what are we doing, Roman?
All right. Well, I think the fat side is for the top part.
Okay. So this lip goes at the top on the inside, correct?
Right.
Okay.
So we'll go, yeah, just like that.
Good. So...
Should we put that in first?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
It goes in first.
And then we'll put that, slide that on.
Well,
right?
yeah, we got to fit it.
Okay.
And you got to have like an inch of overlap here, remember?
Okay.
So we'll do that.
Right, that's where it was, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Right?
Like, your fucking head's in the way.
Well, I don't know.
You want to get the other side while I'm doing this?
Yeah.
So the seal goes, so right now we're putting on a brand new seal. The seal goes on the window first. Come on in here, Tommy. So this lip, in case you were wondering, because we just found out, goes at the top. And then you're supposed to have the end of this lip like an inch from like the corner. So let's see if it fits like that. Did you get it on there?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. That's tough.
Cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice.
Okay. So the next thing, hi, welcome back. The next thing is this part's gonna sit on the bottom, so you wanna throw a rope, or right now we're using wire, and you're running all the way around in this channel. And then this way, when you set the window in there, you can pull the rope or this wire up and pull this lip, this guy right here, over top of the pinch weld that's right here. So that's what we're gonna try to do. You got some tape?
Yeah, what kind of tape you want?
Just something to tape this thing on so when we move it, the seal don't pop off again. So you make a cross pattern here. You loop one over the other. And then whichever one you go over the top with is the way you start. So the one with all the length on it, we're gonna pull up and go that way.
Where do you want to put it?
Up your butt.
Well, maybe we should make it down. I don't know if I can. There we go. Let's stab her in.
Okay,
Yeah.
That one's coming off now? Fuck. We take the window all the way back out?
I don't know.
That might be easier. Personally.
This is where it comes off the rails.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I got this one. It kind of comes back on. A little loose, but that's better than it was. Still not good though. Like, look, as soon as it starts to already come off, as soon as it moves a little bit.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
It's not going all the way in there. That's why.
Let's just pull the window up.
Yeah. Go. You got it, Tommy?
Yeah, I got this.
Move the ladder, Roman.
I got it.
Move the ladder. Oh.
Got it. I promise the next time it'll be so much easier.
You're paying somebody next time, fool.
Oh, I'm not talking about window. I mean, the next thing we do on this will be way easier. This is the hardest thing.
Yeah, that's what we said about a back window last time, Roman.
You know, I
Roman.
thought I was gonna be able to get it in. He was like, "Hey, we could do it." I was like, "I'll pay a guy." No, we could do it. It was your idea.
Yeah, I said I'll do the back window, but you gotta pay somebody to do the windshield.
You did not say
I
that.
did that too.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
You're saying that now.
I was saying that then.
I'm gonna go see a guy about a horse.
Oh man.
Okay. Give me this. Give me this. You guys want to grab the windshield?
Sure.
So you're saying that Steve's lying?
I'm calling him a liar.
Huh?
Calling him a liar right now.
So you Roman's calling Steve a liar right now?
I plead the fifth.
You on?
Watch thy fingers.
Let me get on the outside.
a tough one. She's a big old broad, and we lost again. It's okay though. It's just the weather stripping is super tight on this, and when you go in, there's like next to no room, and this is not gonna happen. So yeah, I know. It's all me. It's all me throwing tape at
Wait,
me.
I thought we were coming over and just do the back window, not the windshield.
Oh no.
Window was done last
Well, actually, we still have to put the fucking little chrome trim piece in. God damn it.
Fast guy.
So yeah, we're gonna call a professional on this one because it's just not. It's tough, real tough.
That's okay, Roman. We still love you.
Yeah. Well, everything else should be okay about going in. I don't know.
Hey, we failed.
Oh,
Cool.
man.
So maybe when you do call a window guy, you can see where we went wrong.
Yeah, that's tough. It was tough to put it on the window,
Right.
but it's like the weather strip is.
It's like an ass gasket. It's
Yeah.
sphincter tight.
Yeah, it's super tight. So might as well call the pros in on this one. It's all right. It happens. We fail.
Pros before hose.
We're just gonna keep moving forward. You know, it's gonna be great.
Motorcycle forensics with Roman.
So I was working on this 93 Evo Softail all day, and it had been sitting outside for a while, and there was a bunch of stuff just hanging off of it. So I think what happened is the guy got really drunk one night. He was coming home, and the speedo stopped working.
Myth.
And what really happened, there's a little bolt that holds the speedo cable into the back of the speedo. I think it fell out, and it made him think that speedo wasn't working. So when he pulled over, he started punching the speedo and broke the whole speedo out, and then just started beating the hell out of the bike. He broke off the lights and everything. He said he got mad, so I was fixing all that stuff all day, and it had been sitting outside for like 10 years, and I was polishing grime all day today. So my brain is like scrambled eggs right now. Yeah. Feel fried.
You want carne asada taco?
No, I'm good. It looks great though.
No problem, Roman.
Yeah, more motorcycles. You know, when I grow up, I want to work on motorcycles.
I concur.
Oh.